In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Squarespace. If you want to quickly adjust how an image appears on your site without replacing it entirely, cropping is a simple way to do that right inside Squarespace. This is especially useful if you want to improve the framing of a photo, remove unnecessary space around the subject, or make the image fit better within your page layout. To get started, open your Squarespace website and click Edit so you can make changes to the page. Once you're in editing mode, scroll to the image you want to crop and double-click on it. This will open the image settings where you can access more options for that specific image. When the menu appears, go to the Content tab. Inside that section, click Edit. This will take you directly into the Squarespace image editor, which is where you can make visual adjustments to the image itself. If you're not seeing the option right away, just make sure you've selected the image properly and that you're editing the correct block. Once you're inside the Squarespace image editor, look toward the top right corner and click the crop icon. This is the tool you'll use to change the visible area of the image. After selecting it, you can begin adjusting the crop by dragging the edges or repositioning the selection until the image looks the way you want. Take your time here and make sure the most important part of the photo stays clearly visible, especially if the image includes a person, product, or focal object. As you crop, keep in mind how the image will appear on your page. A tighter crop can make an image feel more focused and professional, while a wider crop may help preserve more context. The main goal is to make the image look balanced and fit naturally within your design. When you're happy with the result, click Save to apply your changes, and that's all there is to it. Your image will now appear with the new crop on your Squarespace site. This is a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your website looks. If you're updating multiple images, you can repeat the same process for each one to keep your visuals consistent across the site.